Hi everybody. So I just did this Bafang mid-drive conversion kit on a specialized epic mountain bike. It's a 2004. I bought it on Craigslist for $350 and the conversion kit was about like $270 I think for the motor and kit, and then the battery is a little over $200. So yeah, this whole package less than $1,000. We just took it out for the first ride. It worked great. Um, let's see, you'll see I had to add some washers on the clamp here. So there's like washers on either side of I had to get some longer bolts. I think it was an M5 socket cap screw. And I also had to make a shim. You can barely see it. It's a silver aluminum shim. It goes on the right side of the bottom bracket. It's about a 1/16 of an inch thick. You can buy them online, but yeah, it didn't quite match the width of the bottom bracket. The battery was also kind of a pain to mount. I got one of the screws matched the battery bracket. I had to use this is just a hose clamp, stainless steel hose clamp with a road bike tube wrapped around it, so that's what's screwing into the top of the clamp there. And then I did this with another road bike tube. I made like a little belt with just a little extra. I sewed some D-rings onto the clamp to make a belt to kind of hold that thing on. The wire routing was kind of a pain in the ass. I don't know why they did this, but all of the wires come out of the underside of the motor. And so I kind of bundled those all together, threaded them through this gap in the rear suspension, and then just zip tied the whole bundle. So you'll see, I'll probably eventually get the sensor that senses which gear you're in, and then this one's for the light, so I don't really need the light. It did a pretty sloppy job. Anyway, it did a really quick and dirty job for like then the main wire harness is coming up here, and then I sort of bundled all these wires and ran them to the display and the throttle and the display control. This was another pain. So it has hydraulic brakes. So I finagled this thing together because this is the brake cutoff. That's the thing that senses whether or not you're braking. It comes with this little magnet which has a little piece of double-sided tape attached to it. But first of all, the brake is not flat, so there's not a really good place to put this thing. And then the brake lever is not like on the same plane as it. So I had to zip tie a little square head driver onto that, and that's what the magnet is stuck to. So it works. It's just kind of dumb. So that's what disconnects the motor if you're braking. I don't even know if you need it. I think that's about it. I noticed a lot of videos don't really tell you what to do once you get the whole thing installed. It's pretty straightforward. You just you charge the battery first, because the battery is shipped without a charge, and then you turn it on, and then you turn this switch on, and your display comes on, and then this one is your pedal assist, so you can like go up or down with this thing depending on how much assist you want, which seems to have a lot of impact. I mean, it seems to mainly be controlling your speed. I know there's a torque sensor in the motor too, but it seems to mainly be a speed control. I don't know how it's working. I think that's about it. This is the throttle. That's been working pretty good, and I think that's it. Anyway, thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any comments. I know it's a quick and dirty thing, and so there's probably things I could do better. But yeah, let me know. All right, thanks, bye.